The story of Padmavati. The Chittorgarh fort in Rajasthan stands as an epitome of the true Rajputana spirit, loyalty, fidelity and bravery, and a symbol of women power. The palace shrieks of the agonizing tale of its heroic queen Padmavati, or fondly called Padmini. Rani Padmavati. Even though there are hardly any textual references that support the existence of Queen Padmini, yet a well-known folklore composed by Awadhi artist named Malik Muhammad Jaisi indicates something else. Padmini Swayamvar. Born in the Sinhala kingdom, Princess Padmavati was brought up with education in war strategies and skills for battleship. At the time of her marriage, a Swayamvar was organized. The Swayamvar was won by King Raval Ratan Singh of Chittor, who she duly married. Royal marriage. Raval Ratan's royal court was equally employed with talented and skillful people, one of whom was an artist named Raghav Chetan. Not only did he paint beautiful images, but also served the king with secrets from within the four walls of the palace. Royal sorcerer. But what Raghav Chetan kept in hiding was the fact about him being a sorcerer. Once he was caught red-handed by King Raval Ratan Singh, who banished him from the kingdom after much humiliation. Evil plan. Burning with rage, Raghav chanced upon one opportunity and headed to meet Alauddin Khilji. He tried with all his might to trigger him into attacking Chittor, but nothing worked until he fed him with details of Queen Padmavati's beauty. Royal meet. Alauddin Khilji agreed to it on one condition: if only he could meet her in person. On reaching Chittor, Alauddin Khilji found the fort to be heavily defended. Desperate to have a look at the legendary beauty of Padmini, he sent word to King Raval Ratan Singh that he wished to see the real beauty of Chittor and see if the rumors were in fact true. Reflection in water. Queen Padmavati was aware of the brutality and mindset of the foreign invaders, and therefore she decided to only give a glimpse of her reflection through the water fountain, which infuriated Khilji. Capturing of Ratan Sen. With the motive of revenge, Khilji welcomed Raval Ratan Singh to his camp outside the royal residence. Accepting this open door, the wicked Sultan misleadingly seized Raval Ratan Singh and took him as a prisoner into his camp and requested Padmini to come and surrender herself before him. Women wailing for their men. Hearing this, the women of the royal palace were preparing for Johar, self-immolation. This news enraged Khilji further, who gathered more army men and ordered a siege on the fort walls. Ratan Singh's armies fought bravely but were defeated. Ratan Singh too died fighting along his men. Sacrifice. Meanwhile, the women wailed for their men and sang praises of their bravery, and together they jumped into the fire. Queen Padmini was the first one to jump into the Johar Kund, thus making her a great name in history. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.